Welcome to the Audiobook Vault. Today, we embark on a journey through one of the most influential texts on strategy and leadership ever written, The Art of War by Sun Tzu. Written over 2,500 years ago, this ancient Chinese military treatise offers timeless wisdom on strategy, discipline, and decision-making. Let's dive into Part 1. Subtitle 1. Introduction to Sun Tzu and the Art of War. Sun Tzu was a Chinese military general and philosopher whose teachings have shaped military strategies and leadership principles worldwide. The art of war is not just about warfare, it's a guide for navigating challenges, achieving goals, and mastering the art of competition in every aspect of life. In Part 1, we'll explore the opening principles of Sun Tzu's philosophy, focusing on preparation, adaptability, and the importance of understanding yourself and your opponent. Subtitle 2. Key Insight 1. The importance of preparation. Sun Tzu famously wrote, "Every battle is won before it is fought." He emphasizes meticulous planning, gathering intelligence, and assessing risks before taking action. Whether you are preparing for a business negotiation, a personal challenge, or even just your daily goals, success begins with preparation. Subtitle 3. Key Insight 2. Knowing yourself and the enemy. One of Sun Tzu's most profound lessons is this: if you know the enemy and know yourself, you need not fear the result of 100 battles. Understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and the circumstances you face is just as crucial as knowing the challenges ahead. This principle applies to personal growth, conflict resolution, and achieving success in all areas of life. Subtitle 4. Key Insight 3. Adaptability in all situations. In warfare, as in life, rigidity leads to failure. Sun Tzu teaches us to remain adaptable, adjusting to changing circumstances. He writes, "In the midst of chaos, there is also opportunity." This mindset enables us to turn setbacks into stepping stones. Thank you for joining us for Part 1 of Sun Tzu's The Art of War. These timeless lessons remind us that success comes from preparation, awareness, and flexibility. If you enjoyed this audiobook, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll dive deeper into Sun Tzu's strategies. Until next time, remember, every victory begins with preparation.